Welcome back to the channel, fellow travelers, weekend warriors, and dedicated followers of the ever-evolving automotive and recreational vehicle industry. Today we are taking a deep and comprehensive look at a vehicle that is sending absolute shockwaves through the campervan and Class B motorhome market. For decades, enthusiasts looking to hit the open road have been forced to make a very difficult, agonizing choice. You could either buy a massive, lumbering Class A or Class C RV to get all the creature comforts of home, sacrificing fuel economy, maneuverability, and the ability to park in a normal city. Or you could opt for a nimble, compact campervan that fits anywhere but forces you to endure cramped sleeping quarters, zero privacy, and the dreaded, perpetually soggy wet bath. But what if I told you that the legendary engineers at Westfalia have completely shattered that compromise? Prepare to have your expectations completely recalibrated as we step inside the brand new Westfalia Nansen 600L, a flexible mini motorhome that masterfully packs 4 comfortable beds and a highly coveted full dry bathroom into an incredibly manageable footprint. To truly understand the brilliance of the Nansen 600L, we first have to appreciate the pedigree of the badge on the grille. Westfalia is a name that is practically synonymous with the birth of van life, having built some of the most iconic and sought-after camper conversions in automotive history. With the Nansen 600L, they have leveraged every single ounce of that historical expertise and channeled it into a modern, sophisticated European platform. Sitting right in that sweet spot of the 6-meter class, hence the 600 in the name, this vehicle is designed to be the ultimate daily drivable adventure rig. From the outside, it maintains a sleek, aerodynamic, and understated profile that does not immediately scream massive recreational vehicle to everyone on the road. It slides effortlessly into standard supermarket parking spaces, navigates tight switchback mountain roads with the agility of a large delivery van, and hums down the interstate with a level of acoustic refinement and driver comfort that rivals modern luxury SUVs. But the moment you slide open that side door and deploy the automated entry step, the utilitarian exterior gives way to an absolute masterclass in spatial engineering and interior automotive design. Stepping into the main forward living area, you are instantly greeted by a lounge space that feels astonishingly open and airy for a vehicle of these dimensions. The automotive front captain chairs swivel seamlessly around to face a beautifully crafted, adjustable dinette table, creating a highly functional and deeply comfortable lounge that easily accommodates 4 adults for dinner, drinks, or remote work. The choice of materials here is strictly premium, utilizing lightweight but incredibly durable composite cabinetry, soft-touch marine-grade upholstery, and deeply integrated ambient LED lighting that creates a warm residential atmosphere the second the sun dips below the horizon. The flexibility of this space is immediately apparent, as the forward lounge effortlessly transforms into a cozy sleeping area, providing the first 2 of the 4 available beds. This dynamic forward setup means that a family of 4 or a group of 4 close friends can easily travel and relax together without constantly tripping over one another. Moving slightly aft, the Galley kitchen is an absolute triumph of ergonomic design. Instead of providing a tiny, unusable kitchenette, Westfalia has equipped the Nansen 600L with a culinary workspace that actually encourages you to cook gourmet meals while off the grid. You get a high-output 2-burner gas hob smoothly integrated alongside a deep stainless steel sink, all covered by flush-fitting glass panels that maximize your preparation space when the appliances are not in active use. Storage is incredibly abundant, with a series of deep, soft-closed drawers ready to swallow heavy pots, pans, and all your dry provisions. Positioned right at the edge of the kitchen block is a highly efficient compressor refrigerator that can easily be accessed from both the inside of the van and the outside through the open sliding door, making it incredibly convenient to grab a cold beverage while relaxing under the exterior awning. However, the absolute crowning achievement of the Westfalia Nansen 600L, and the feature that will undoubtedly make it a massive bestseller, is located just past the kitchen. Anyone who has ever spent time in a traditional Class B campervan knows the misery of the wet bath, a tiny plastic closet where the toilet, sink, and shower all share the exact same square footage, meaning every time you shower, you absolutely soak the entire room. Westfalia has performed what feels like architectural magic by engineering a complete, full dry bathroom into this compact chassis. By utilizing clever, articulating partition walls and a wildly innovative floor plan, they have managed to separate the showering space from the toilet and vanity area. This means you can enjoy a hot, pressurized shower after a long day of hiking, step out, and dry off without having to wipe down the toilet seat or your toothbrush. In the world of mini motorhomes, finding a true dry bath in a 6-meter van is like finding a unicorn, and Westfalia has executed it with flawless precision. Finally, we arrive at the rear of the vehicle, which serves as the primary master suite. The L in the 600L designation stands for longitudinal, referring to the layout of the massive rear beds. Instead of a cramped transverse bed that forces you to climb over your partner in the middle of the night, you get two expansive, deeply supportive longitudinal single beds that can easily be bridged together to form a colossal king-size sleeping oasis. Because these beds are elevated, they create a cavernous garage storage space underneath, perfectly accessible through the rear cargo doors. This garage is entirely isolated from the living cabin and is lined with heavy-duty materials, making it the perfect place to store expensive electric bicycles, muddy hiking gear, inflatable kayaks, or enough supplies to stay entirely off the grid for weeks at a time. Coupled with robust onboard freshwater capacities, advanced lithium power systems, and premium winterization packages, the Westfalia Nansen 600L is not just a weekend getaway vehicle, it is a highly sophisticated 4-season mobile habitat. It completely redefines what is possible in a compact chassis, proving that with brilliant German engineering, you really can have the maneuverability of a van and the uncompromising luxury of a motorhome all wrapped up in one gorgeous package. Let us know down in the comments what you think of this incredible layout and if you would take the Nansen 600L on your next cross-country expedition.